Have you ever felt like you are earning more than ever, yet somehow feel broker than before? That paycheck hits your account, and instead of relief, you feel confusion. How can you be making this much money and still feel broke? You are earning more, but the finish line keeps moving farther away. The stress never lets up. Money arguments with your partner are becoming normal. You are working harder than ever, yet the freedom you were chasing feels further away than when you started. Here is the truth. This is not a spending problem. This is a system problem. There is a hidden cost to a high income that almost no one talks about. I call it the emotional tax. The emotional tax is the mental burden of managing a high income life. It is the pressure, the complexity, the constant feeling of responsibility. It is the stress of multiple accounts you do not fully understand. It is the weight of a large mortgage tying you to a job you may not love. It is the pressure to live up to expectations, drive the right car, take the right vacations, and look successful. You do not pay this tax with money. You pay it with time, energy, and peace of mind. And this emotional tax works hand in hand with another silent force called lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is subtle and dangerous. Every raise, every bonus, every increase in income quietly becomes new spending. You get a raise and upgrade the car. You have a strong quarter and book a more expensive vacation. It feels deserved. You worked hard for it. But here is what happens next. Your fixed expenses increase. Your monthly obligations grow. Now you must work even harder just to maintain your life. You have built a bigger treadmill and you are running faster just to stay in place. These two forces feed each other perfectly. The emotional tax makes you feel burdened and stressed, so you spend to compensate. That spending increases complexity and obligations, which increases the emotional tax. It becomes a vicious cycle. This is why traditional budgeting fails for high earners. Budgets are about restriction. They focus on what you cannot do. When you already feel deprived of time and freedom, more rules only add pressure. The solution is not a better budget. The solution is a better system. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. I worked with a couple, we will call them Sarah and Mark. On paper, they looked incredibly successful. Their combined income was over $300,000 per year. They had a beautiful home, great schools, and active kids. Behind closed doors, they were barely holding on. Money conversations always turned into arguments. They constantly asked the same question: where is all the money going? Their breaking point came during an argument about credit cards. It was not about the balance. It was about feeling completely out of control. They were not failing financially. Their money was simply misdirected. We implemented a system called cash flow family banking. This is not a budget. It is a values-based system. First, we identified what truly mattered to them. Not the house, not the cars. What mattered was security, family experiences, and putting their kids through college without debt. Then we audited their spending. Less than 20% of their income was going toward those priorities. The rest was being consumed by lifestyle creep. We redesigned their spending around their values. Debt payoff came first, college savings came first, family experiences were planned intentionally. They downsized stress-heavy expenses and created a proactive system for communicating about money. The result was powerful. They are now on track to be completely debt-free, including their mortgage, in under 7 years. More importantly, the argument stopped. They felt aligned again. They were never broke. Their money simply needed direction. Now let me share a different example. I worked with a business owner. We will call him David. His company generated over $1 million per year in revenue. From the outside, he looked wildly successful. In reality, he was exhausted. He worked 70-hour weeks. He felt disconnected from his family. His wealth had become a cage. David rewarded stress with spending, a new toy, a luxury trip, a big purchase to justify the sacrifice. But each purchase increased his obligations. More payments, more pressure, more work. The spending was not the solution, it was a symptom. We implemented what I call the success spending system. Instead of spending as a reward for work, we spent with intention. We defined what success actually meant to him. For David, it was time, freedom, and connection with his kids. We audited spending for emotional return, not just cost. The unused boat was sold. The money was redirected toward time, systems, and experiences. He reduced his workload, increased profitability, and naturally spent less, not because of discipline, but because his needs were finally being met. Now let's talk about how you apply this. We are not creating a budget. Forget budgets. We are creating a values-based spending plan. Your transformation begins in week 1 with 5 steps. Step 1, identify your core values. Be specific. Choose 3 to 5 non-negotiables that define a life well lived. Step 2, audit your spending. Review the last 3 months. Highlight what aligns with your values. You will likely find that only 10, 15, or 20% truly does. Step 3, design values-based spending categories. Fund priorities first. This is how you stop lifestyle creep before it starts. Step 4, audit the emotional tax. Identify expenses that cause stress, regret, or anxiety. Eliminate or reduce them aggressively. Step 5, automate the system. Set automatic transfers to your values-based categories. What remains is guilt-free spending with clarity and peace. This system works because it protects your most valuable assets, your time, your energy, your attention. You move from earning to deserve a lifestyle to earning to design a life. Your income stops being the problem and becomes the solution. If you want the full blueprint, including cash flow systems, debt acceleration strategies, and communication frameworks for couples, I invite you to join my live workshop. This is a stress-free wealth system, step by step, built for high earners who want freedom, not more pressure. Your income is powerful. Your values are the blueprint. Your wealth should create freedom, not stress. Click the link and join the live workshop. Freedom is closer than you think.